Welcome back to Highline Prestige, everybody. I thought I'd show you guys my Davidoff collection. To start things off, we're going to start with this very special box of cigars. This is the Winston Churchill Limited Edition 2022 Perfecto. I'm pretty sure it's the first time Davidoff used the Perfecto for the limited edition cigars. Upon opening up the box, you have this beautiful and very distinguished style cigar box that the cigars come from. Now, they pay homage to a briefcase to pay homage to and found inspiration from Mr. Winston Churchill. So you got these little awesome little style latches. You got the little dotted lines here to kind of make it look like stitching. And then once lifted up, whoa, there are the cigars, and every box is numbered. So mine is 8,045 out of 12,300. But look at that. What could this be? To our dear customer. Let's find out. And look at that. This is a letter from Randolph Churchill, Churchill's great-grandson. A copy of it, signed and everything. Absolutely incredible. Love the little details that Davidoff does. They go all the way for their special cigars. Now for the real surprise. This is a Davidoff Winston Churchill briefcase. It was like a little accessory that they made for the Winston Churchill Limited 2022. And I think you guys will be surprised what's inside. We have the Winston Churchill name and the symbol right there. His initials right over there. It's got a little bit of weight to it, which is nice. It's real leather. I am doing this one-handed. Let's do that. And check this out. Hey, look at that. So there's my two missing limited edition 2022s. And these are my two limited edition 2021s. This cigar case comes with, it's a little tricky to get out, but a Winston Churchill ashtray. And this is something that you can kind of put your tasting notes, the different cigars, what you've smoked, blah, 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 all that. This is something that you don't really see too often. I plan on keeping this thing. Just absolutely gorgeous. So cool to see.